Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating. Today I just wanted to share a very quick video quickly here about castor oil again. Castor oil is a very good medicinal product for everyday hacks, and the first everyday hack I wanted to share, it's good for dry lips. Obviously we're coming out of the winter weather, but our skin is still dry. So castor oil is infused with fatty acid and rich omegas. And, if you're going out every day, you can put this on your lips. I've tried it. It does actually work. It's also good for thicker eyebrows. I mean, I haven't used it personally myself on my eyebrows, but like I mentioned in my last video that I shared a couple of weeks ago, it is good for moisturizing your skin. I had two dark blotches that were on my neck, and actually it's faded them slightly. I mean, it's faded them slightly, so it's not so prominent anymore. It's good for acne. If you've got acne problems, you do your daily normal cleanse, and then basically you place the castor oil on your face when you go outside. It's good for exfoliating skin, which I also would say so myself, because like I said, for myself, I've been using it on my skin regularly now, especially on my neck area. As we get older, the elasticity in our skin does, go away. So basically we have to moisturize from our neck, not just our face, our neck and lower parts of our body. And I've been using it on my neck area and seen a great big difference. So this is what I wanted to share today for castor oil hacks. I hope everyone is okay, and thank you for watching another video for mindful eating. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.